Hey guys, it's good to be back with you again. Drywall. Drywall is one of the most transformative stages of the job aside from demo. You're suddenly going to see your house coming back together again. It's going to look a little more like what you're used to seeing. All of the framings covered, the plumbing, the electrical, and yeah, it's a really exciting time after drywall. But there's a downside to drywall. Drywall is dirty. Drywall is dusty. And that dust is very, very hard to contain. We do a really good job, and we pride ourselves in protecting your home with polywalls and zippers and floor protection. But no matter what, our trades have to get into the work zone and out. And every time that wall is breached, dust will potentially migrate into your home. We will do our best to clean it up, but if we focus our entire time on cleanup, we'll never get the job done. So I want to say in one breath, we do our very best. We try. We respect it, that it's your home and your space. But in the same breath, I would ask that you have just a little bit of empathy and patience for us. That if you have never been on a reno journey before and you come home shocked that there may be a layer of dust on your floor outside of the work zone, then it's kind of an impossibility for us to fix. We will clean up, we will sweep up, we'll wipe things down, and we will do a master clean at the end of the project. But just keep in mind that the drywall phase alone is often a source of contention for a lot of our clients. We're totally prepared for it. Our clients are totally often not, and maybe you're not, but we want to kind of warm you up to that. Another thing with drywall is if it's a smaller job, you're not going to see people there very much. We'll do a coat of mud on the wall and then leave, because that coat has to dry, and there's about 4 coats that have to go on before we can sand it and prime it. So if it's a smaller project, you might see a trade come in there for a couple of hours and then gone again, and nothing else is going to happen on your home. Nothing can happen during the mudding phase. It's their zone for that sometimes 10-day period. So hope that makes sense to you. I hope you understand it. Again, I want to say we're there for you. If you need to vent, you can vent. If something happens, a polywall falls down and excessive dust gets in, then let us know. We will be there. We will clean up. Our heart is to protect your home, and yeah. So guys, I hope that was helpful. And just remember that we're on a journey. We got the same goal, and we're in this together.